Hello everyone, in this video, you will learn how to change your Netflix region using a VPN. First, you need to choose a reliable VPN service. Some of the most popular ones are NordVPN, ExpressVPN, and Surfshark. Go to their website, create an account, and download the VPN app for your device. Once the VPN is installed, open it and sign in with your account. You will see a list of countries or servers. These represent different regions you can connect to. Next, select the country whose Netflix library you want to access. For example, if you want to watch shows from the United States, connect to a US server. Wait a few seconds until the VPN confirms that you are connected. Now, go to the Netflix website or open the Netflix app. You might need to refresh or restart it. Netflix will automatically show content from the region you selected. You can now search for titles that are exclusive to that country and start watching them. If a show still does not appear, try switching to a different server in the same country. That is how you change your Netflix region using a VPN. Thanks for watching.